Hello, my friends. Look at this adorable hugs card. You know what? You can make this card now because we just released these fun new dies. First of all, there's all these fun things I need to share with you, and there's literally something here for everyone. Because if you're celebrating a graduation, we have a graduation diploma mini slimline. Look at how cute that is. You can make it in any color you want. So we have graduate items. We also have wedding items. Now I know it doesn't look like much here, but these are die words you're going to use on all of your wedding cards. For example, to have and to hold, just married, happily ever after, for the bride and groom, all different words. So much fun. I'll show you lots of samples, don't worry. So we have graduation, weddings, because all of these things are happening right now, right? And anniversary card front, because you know everybody celebrates all their anniversaries, right? So this says happy anniversary to you. I know it doesn't look like anything here. Stay tuned. Then, this is one of my favorites because I always say hugs. And here we go. It's a big word, hugs. Look at how large it is. It takes up almost a whole A2 size card. It also comes with the cute to you. It also comes with XOXO and a cute little heart. And I have lots more samples. Last but not least, 5x7 dotted 5x7 dotted rectangles. Now, the cool thing about these, you guys, is you are going to use these all of the time. And look at how large and in charge this is. Now, can I just tell you one thing? You can also make this into an A2 size card, right? Put your fold at the top and die cut it. And guess what? You now have a 5x7 card base, right? And you can fit this in a standard die cut machine. So you know what? You are going to have so much fun with this. So 5x7 is available to everyone now with the smaller die. I mean, it's not the smaller die, it's just using the fold option. I know, isn't that awesome? Let's jump in and look at all of our awesome samples. So you can do the congrats to be the same as their colors for their school. Look how fun that is, congrats. Here's a cute one, 2023, using the fun little stencils. I love that. The hooray die and the diploma and the graduation dies. Look how cute that is. Hooray! Here's another cute one. Congrats, 2023. Love it. Here's a cute one. Enjoy, whoops, enjoy life. I love that. Oops, enjoy life. I absolutely love that. Isn't that cute? Open it up. Congrats. Oh, here's a cute one. Somebody's a USC fan. Look how cute that is. I love that bow. That bow is so much fun, you guys. You're going to love it. Now, let's move on to our hugs because look at how cute this is. Hugs to you. Perfect on our decal edge slimline die or perfect on a 5x7 card die. Look at that. Hugs to you. Look at that nice little stamps on the inside. Or on an A2 size card. 3 different sizes right there, you guys. Fits on all of them, which is very handy. And you can even turn it into, look at this, its own folded if you wanted to. Look how cute that is. Isn't that adorable? Write your little message. Oh, and you can add it with one of our little Nomi girls. Isn't she fun? I absolutely adore her. Ooh, or just literally put it on a background. And that's all you need to do. But look at this, you guys. Because look at this. You can take that background, die cut it, put the cute little, put all your fun ink on it, peel it up, use this side for this one, and use the insides for another one. Double trouble, right? Isn't that awesome? I love it. Here's a cute one using the same background. Oh, that's thanks. Oh, so I'm just showing you the thanks, that we have thanks and hugs. I'm like, why am I showing you this one? But we do have the bigger words thanks, hello, and now we have the big hugs. That's why I'm showing you the thanks. Sorry. I'm like, why did that get in there? Here's a cute hugs. Love it. Here's a fun one with a fun background. Look at that fun background. Ooh, so pretty. Or you could go blue if you wanted. Isn't that gorgeous? Just by changing the backgrounds, you can see it completely changes the whole thing. Look at that. So much fun. Now let's look at some of our wedding words. Happily ever after. Isn't that gorgeous? Love that, happily ever after. Here's a fun one. Bride and groom. Look at how gorgeous that is using our foil paper. Imagine giving this wedding card to somebody. Oh, stunning. I love that. Here's one for the bride and groom. Oh, notice the irony here. Look how awesome. Well, I don't think irony is the right word, but look at the wedding ring circle in the background for the pattern. Love it. Love it. Now, let's look at how cute this is with our little peeps using our Slimline box die. Look at how adorable those little guys are. They're getting married with our church in the background. Oh, I absolutely love that. Isn't that cute? So adorable. Ooh. Or you could just use some of the peeps clothing if you wanted to. Look at how fun this is. Happily ever after. We have our little tux and we have our cute little wedding dress here. Open that up. Congratulations, the two of you make the perfect couple. I love that. That's also using the champagne glass dies and the wedding to stamp. I love that. Look at how cute this one is. Oh my goodness. 5x7 dotted. 5x7 dotted. Actually, this might even be a sneak peek on here too, by the way. Just saying. Okay, look at this, you guys. Now, you're thinking, oh, I don't need that dotted card. The dotted dies. Look at the stunning looks from that. All the way around. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And of course, they're all layering dies. And you're thinking, oh, well, I already have A2 layering dies that are dotted. You guys, I don't know who invented this, but they're all different layering sizes. So A1 layering dies are different sizes than A2 layering dies and are different sizes than A5x7 layering dies. So just saying, you know, you think you have dotted, but you don't have dotted for 5x7. I know, it's crazy, right? Look at all these different ideas, you guys, all using those fun dots. Now, don't forget, you can make your own 5x7. I'll have to do that on a crafting corner pretty soon. Look at how cute that is. Happy anniversary to you. Look at that. So this happy anniversary, look at this, you guys, with the dots that we're releasing. Happy anniversary to you. Now, the fun thing about this, you guys, is you can use, here, let me clean up my space here. You can use the negative. This is using the negative. You're thinking, oh, I don't want to glue all those little pieces together. These words, this whole black is all one piece using just the words, right? Because you're using the negative. You can use the negative or the positive. Here's another one using the negative. So the inside of the O stays in the die. The inside of the A stays in the die. The inside of the little Y stays in the die. You don't have to do any extra adding little pieces because they stay in there. Now you can also use just the letters if you want to that pop out. Look at how cute that is. I absolutely love that. But again, look at this one. You can use just the background. That's what's nice about these because they're so fast. And you could cut it out of two different colors and put a different color on the inside. Isn't that awesome? Look at this, two different options here. Absolutely love them. So simple, so easy, and fast. If you ever need a fast card, boom, the card fronts are awesome for the fast cards. Okay, club members, I know you know the deal. You're getting 15 to 20% off of all of these items. And if you are able to catch them on the first 24 hours or on the website, flash sale prices also. What does it mean when there's a flash sale price? That means it's the first 24 hours it's been on the website. It's always brand new items. It's always an extra discount and until sold out or the first 24 hours. And if it's on flash sale, you're also getting your club discount, double discounts. Oh, and you're getting club points. It's amazing. Go check it out, the website, stampsoflife.com. Join the club. Just start slow if you want to. Just join the Stamp Club for $13.99 a month and get that 15% discount off of the entire website. The entire website. Go check it out. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thank you.